So mag-ano kami dito guys. So welcome back to our video. So mag-change kami ng bagong soil guys. So nilagyan ni Aaron ng hole. So yan ang lagayan namin.
So what I want to do is, you see somebody just measured out. Yeah, let's all right, we're going to set this on the end. And we're going to cut off the bottom
I have
parts of
knife.
these roots. Let me see your knife. And then it'll keep growing.
Yeah, there's a lot of root in the
So
bottom.
cut off these excess. See all the impacted roots at the bottom?
Mm.
I don't know if this knife is going to do it or not. I don't think his knife is sharp enough. Cuts through the dirt.
Or the cutter. Like for the grass ba?
You know what?
You can use those.
Yeah, I've got a quick saw. I think it should. I can do it with a pocket knife. I was just trying to get a bigger blade just to make it a little bit easier. Yeah, it's just them. The roots are thick. Wow, that's hot.
Just so dry in the bottom.
Yeah, so them roots they just suck up the water. Oh man, that's wicked hot. Yeah.
So hot.
Basically, yeah, it's like composting itself. So then that way it's got more room for roots to grow, right? And we can put more dirt in it because it would be like 80% root. If I just stuck it in there, there wouldn't be a whole lot of extra dirt for the nutrients. Measure this thing real quick. This is palm soil. This is actually for stuff like that. So it's not just rotting in. So I'm gonna get as much kind of new dirt on there as I can. Let's see.
You want me to hold it?
I don't want it to be too high up.
You can get some.
I'll cut just a little more root off. I don't want to cut down too low. Inch or so off. Let's see, the base of it is pretty high. Yeah, just hold it like that right there. Well, actually, it'll probably stay.
Hold on.
Yeah, it's trapped on a leaf there.
Okay.
Stuff.
May bunga na rin ang aming lime, guys. So, malaki na ang bunga. Ito. Malaki na.
Hey,
Mm.
you want to get a water jug full of water?
Yeah.
Because we're going to soak this thing. Oh, hey, you want to take your knife back?
So, dito guys, mga 9 o'clock na, pero may araw pa guys. Napakaganda ng araw. 9 o'clock sa gabi.
Good. It's good to get a little extra on the ground. Smother this grass there. You want to help me move this over here?
Yeah.
Give me a hand. That'll grow bigger now. It'll grow a lot healthier. It's basically cooking itself. I'll put a little extra dirt. There's 2 here to cover the. Hey, can you give me the blue dustpan?
Mm.
Some of that dirt was slowly washes out.
So, orange fruit yan guys, ang nilagyan na yan ng soil. Bumili kami ng orange sa HEB, maybe. HEB. Dito namin nilagay sa harapan kasi mainit sa harapan. Mga ganitong oras kami magtatrabaho guys kasi hindi masyadong init. Mga 9 nasa gabi pero hindi masyadong pang madilim. Hindi pa masyadong madilim.
This is actually really wet. I'm kind of surprised. I should have to use a little bag just on a little bit. Maybe.
Pinapawisan si Ron, ako walang pawis, lumabas. Walang lumabas na pawis. Kakatapos ko lang kumain ng pipino guys. Nag-harvest ako ng pipino sa backyard. Sa garden namin. Ang sarap guys, crunchy. I like the cucumber, Aaron. I almost finished everything.
Yeah, last year it got so hot so early and just killed us out.
It's nice if you eat cucumber fresh.
Oh yeah, fresh. Always better.
It's better to. I never harvest the.
Nothing beats, fresh.
I harvest the 4 pipino yesterday. It's nice if I harvest when I ready to. If I want to eat something. And next time guys, magtanim kami sa potatoes. Para ma-update ko ang potatoes ko guys.
You want to fill me up one more thing of water?
Yeah. Solar light yan guys, kaya nag-turn off, on off. Madilim na.
Yeah, it was kind of past time to plant that one. I just got to cut them root balls in half. Where it was white, that's how much heat that thing was generating.
Yeah.
It's literally turning that stuff to white.
So, madilim na guys. So, dito nagtatapos ang video namin. See you to my next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.